Hi, my name's Edward Gonzalez, and I'd like to welcome all of you here today. I'm going to be doing my singing debut of my songs. They're both Tarahumara, Navajo, Mexican, German. You'll hear a whole bunch of different languages in my song and stuff. It's all because these songs came to me for many years, and just recently I came out with the title for my CD. When it does come out, it'll be called Shambhala Grace. And Shambhala is actually a name that was spoken to my best friend Angie Gann, and it's her spiritual name. And also there's more aspects of Shambhala. If you go into it, it's a grace, it's a high level of grace, and it's a very peaceful and like an angelic kind of grace, and that's what my songs are like. They're all, you'll find peace in them when you sing them, and I sing them from my heart. Today also what's going to happen is after I'm done singing, Richard, who's going around with the sage right now, I'll be giving him his Native American name. He's been a student of mine for over 1.5 years, and today I wanted to honor him with his name today, so we're going to be doing that after I'm done singing today. The first song I'm going to sing, it's a general song, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm calling in all the ancestors of the land, all the different tribes, all the spirits, all the elders. I'm calling in my tias, Tia Rosa, Tia Helena. They're Tarahumara elders. They live to be over 105 years old, each one of them. They passed away last year, and I'm going to call them in, plus all my ancestors and everybody that's taught me how to sing. I'm going to call them in right now to be with us, so that's my first song that I'm going to do right now. Oh, and before I forget, this drum is Angie Gann's. He's letting me borrow it. this little herb I keep sucking on and stuff. It's a bitter root. It comes from Montana. And it's an old trick I learned through singing on powwow drums and also singing at ceremonial songs. We chew on this to numb. It numbs our voice so we can sing our high pitch and stuff. And so that's what I've been chewing on. People are like, what is he chewing on? And somebody said, oh, I think it's peyote. And no, peyote is actually something different. So this is bitter root. It's something you chew on. It numbs your voice so you can sing and stuff. And I'm going to cheat. I can't remember all my beginnings of all my songs. Oh, I got to tell you what this one's about. I forgot. This song actually, I was taught this when I was about 6, 7 years old, when I was a little kid. My grandma Mary is the one that taught me it. She's from, she's Texan, Apache, and Mexican tribe that I don't know how to pronounce it, but I honor it and stuff. And she met my grandpa close. My grandpa close to me is full-blooded Tarahumara. He left where he grew up, and he moved to Texas by the railroad, and that's how he met her and stuff. And when I was a little kid, she taught me the song they sang about him. And just recently, one of my aunts recently died. She died last Sunday. And I couldn't figure out, why in the world am I remembering this song? Why? Where's it coming from? Then I found out she had died. So this whole week, they've been singing all the songs that we learned when we were little kids. I'm like, I haven't sang it so long, so I started singing it and stuff. So it talks about my grandfather, and it's through my grandma that taught me how to sing it. I'll be part in Tarahumara, Mexican. I might come out with English, I don't know. Whenever I sing my songs, they're never the same. I always ask that the guides and my spirit guides come in, and sometimes you'll notice my voice will change, and it's only because I've asked. The way I learned how to sing is you ask the ones that have crossed over to come into you so they can sing their songs too. And they use me as an instrument, so I might change it in the middle of it. Mono say mono, me no say me no. Mono say ne mon so me son yo say o. Trabajos me ika perkenya. Si yo dari fodes in sinokia. Pira sira dina kiro bisani baselo. Tabahalika hasme atrabahario. Mana se na kio. Mana se okay no se akeo. Trabajali dragonflies or say, or a dragonfly today come on to me today. Fly into the copper canyon, take him to the home. Be with him as he travels unto the land. Mana say mana, mana say na me no. Mana say ne mana, mana say na keo. Pistas ale cojos me Maria. Pista cara sin Angelina E. Cruz E. Junior AC no. Mana so me nana so me nana so me no. Mana so me nana so me nana so me so. Ida Cruz and Cross me Maria. Trabajo en la fuente y Cruz y yo yo. Mana say mana say mana say mana. Mana say oh mana say me oh. Breaking fly your order, come on to meet this day. Fly me up into the winds with you every day. Let my answers fill me up with the dragonfly. Mana oh say mana oh mana say mano. Mana say no oh mana say oh. Thank you.
Very nice.
Okay, so turn it off or stop it or pause it. Yeah, you can turn it back. The other thing is the Tarahumaras. They're a sacred animal. You know how we have all the eagles and stuff. In Tarahumara custom, our sacred animal is a dragonfly. And if you ever get to travel to Copper Canyon in Mexico and next to Chihuahua and stuff, you will see tons of dragonflies. And there are all kinds of dragonflies, all different colors and stuff. And the golden dragonfly is considered like an eagle. And it's a big story and everything about it. But you'll hear me during most of all my songs. I'll be referencing to it and stuff, because it's one of my guardian dragonflies. I have a dragonfly on my arm to remind me of my sacred animal and stuff. Nah, I don't want to see that one yet. Okay, the next song I'm going to sing right now, it's a representation for the willow. If you know, most of the Native Americans, they use the willow to make sweat lodges, and also in our belief, in our custom, the willow, when someone dies, they go search out for willow. And if you're in the United States or you're in a place where they have the weeping willows, they always tell us to go up to the weeping willows and embrace the willows, because our belief is the willows take away all your pain and stuff, and it takes the pain within and it gives you new life back inside, so you can continue on with your life, but it takes it away. So I always make sure I have willow on me, because as each one of my relations pass on, I have to continue the songs and be able to tell people about the stories of all this stuff. Lost lead. us this day, as we cut you this day for our lodges. Let us be blessed with your energy into our life. Way oh, way oh, way hey oh, hey oh, hey oh, hey. Way oh, hey oh, hey oh, hey oh, hey oh. Sino que besio que nasindio. Lokota ise no kalo isana piselo. Igra krali mahasata tias isano. Que no sina mana o que sina eo. Wea ea radio, radio, eo. Wea radio, radio, radio. Let us build up sweat laws in your honor day. Let the people come in and purify them there. Let the sun dancers give the songs as we know to you. Let us set up the lodges right and be one with you. Radio, 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 ayo. Radio, 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 ayo. As he sing into the day, as they cross over, let us embrace the willow, keep us from the light. Let the light come back to us as we need this day. Let them go on through the world of Naki. Radio, 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 eh. Radio, 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 eh. Mina sina casa, mina kole sina. Leteni sermana kiro sina keo. Let the willow take her now and be at peace to stay. Wait, oh, wait, oh, wait, oh, wait, oh, wait. Wait, oh, wait, oh, wait, oh, wait. I'm gonna switch this up. This next song is dedicated to Bill Gann. I came out with the song about a week ago, and it's only because he's a very special friend of mine. He's taught me a lot of things, and on his birthday I gave him the name of Whale Hawk, right? Or Hawk Whale. Whale Hawk, yeah. Whale Hawk. Okay, I just want to make sure I get it right. And he has, if you ever get to meet Bill Gann, and you really get to meet him, you'll find he has a very deep old soul in him. And it's like he keeps records. He has a good memory, and he keeps things very, he knows a lot of things. He doesn't tell you right away, but he lets you know when he needs to let you know. And he's very, it's that deep. And he's also Japanese too. He's a real nice guy, and I was singing the song outside on the porch, and he was like, And then I went and played it for him. He was doing a beat to it. He was like, yeah. And then I told him what it said. He said, oh, that's for me. I was like, right. He goes, wait a minute. And I tell people sometimes I will make up a song and I'm giving them honor and stuff. So I don't have to worry about the lead. I know the lead on this one. This was the easy one. So Bill Gann, when you see this is for you.
This day, Beiseke o Keiseke na ke o Beiseke o ke na ke sa Bana ke la se no Bene seke na ke o Sana ka no so Leko ke o se na Kala ke no say yo, mana ke na say oh, say na do aso. Samurai hakwe oh, samurai oh hakwe oh, let us hear your knowledge and wisdom to this day. Samurai kakwe heya eria eo keso pia kino sina ke osido eka sana ke oso eka Sinagio, Binahio, Kisakilo, Ena Sinagio, Binakio, Sinagio, Enakinaxio. Samurai Wakio, Sarakoyo, Samurai oh, wisdom of their grace. Go deep to the ocean water, keep us away from there. Show us the knowledge of the whale and let us feel it now. Feel the energy of samurai, let it flow through me. Oh, samurai hakwe o eya sinake o.
Thanks. That's what, 3? That's 3, right? I'll find out right now. Oh, okay. The next song is for all of you that got readings today from me, and we talked about my readings, or have gotten readings from me. I do a Wheel of Life, and I talk about your 9 totem animals and stuff. And what I've done is I've actually made a song about it. And so this is a lengthy song. I might get tired in the middle of it, but it's a lengthy song. And it's I had to learn how to switch it from English into Tarahumara, or actually from Tarahumara into English. And right in the middle of it, someone just said, "Oh, just sing it in your language. We'll figure it out." So you're when I sing it, you'll see me turning the 4 directions. I'm going to start with these. Or start with these.
That one.
I know, I did it wrong when I was doing that first song, but I was calling it an answer. So they're just like, go ahead and do it. So I'm going to start in the east, and I'm going to go around. I'm going to do east, south, west, north. Then when okay, and then I'll stay in the north because I'm going to do the one above, and then I'll turn right around to the south and do the one to get next to you to Mother Earth. And then I'll turn around and I'll stand looking at you. It deals with the spirit within and stuff, and then I'll come back to the camera, and then I'll do the left and right animal and stuff. It's going to take a little long, and just letting you know now. So, but I need to suck on the bitterroot one more time because this one's going to take a while. But it's a song that I came up with, and it's my way of honoring when I do my readings and stuff for people and stuff, because I tell everybody when I'm doing your reading, we're doing one-on-one energy. We blend as one energy when I'm doing the reading. So it's not, I'm just interpreting what the cards you pull out, and then we just do it that way. You know what I'm talking about. Actually, all of it know what I'm talking about. Okay. Oh, and the other name for Tarahumara is called Ramadre. Yeah, say it right. You have to let the R's roll. It's called the Ramadre. They rather go by Ramadre. So when they're doing their sacred ceremonies, they say Ramadre when they speak of our tribe. And I say Tarahumara because it's an easy way for people to understand. And that's the way I was raised. And when I go to Mexico, or I'm doing our clan things, I say Ramadre in our songs and stuff to give the respect to the clan and stuff. So that's where, if you keep hearing Ramadre, that's what all I'm doing is calling the Tarahumaras to come and help me sing the song. That's all, please. Let the little one come out onto us this day. Madre, Hare Sirakia. Madre, en la noche para. La noche es lo cocina, la noche es ole. Madre, honestia, y blanco, y elder oseo. Ante work de so, y wamble, y de papasa. Y bononida del sol, y asaneo. Ramadre, papa salakeo. Ramadre, papa sadao. Ike ele nakio, ike nalikeo so. Madre
sana eo Ishambala ke no si o ke na si no eo ke na si e o ke ni o si o Ramadre 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 eo Dragonfly, dragonfly, protect me this day. Guide me and let me do the walk of dragonfly. A dragonfly, si ma ke o, si ni a e o. Ramadre, Ramadre, Ramadre. Sasha ite kolo idakole seo Iwa fina ke no so Iwa kina seo Ina ke seo so Wa fina teo Hold on. Almost done. Ramadre, 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 eo. Ramadre, Ramadre, ate what they saw. Copper Canyon, yo, Copper Canyon, I am the wolf of the horizon, guarding Copper Canyon. Oh. Okay, this next song is a very special song. It's Shambhala Grace. I need you to stand up and come over here. This song is the main song of Shambhala Grace, and it's sung to her, and it's has a lot of meaning in it, and it's very special. And I heard somebody when I was singing that last song in my head, so I have to tell you why I close my eyes. The reason I close my eyes when I sing is coming from my heart. It's pure joy, pure love, and I'm feeling a lot of the energy here. And I want to say before I sing this song, thank you for the support of all of you being here. Thank you for the energy. I can feel it. It's like totally positive, totally in awe. I feel like I'm with my clan that I don't get to see. I haven't seen them for a while, but it feels like today, right now, you're my clan, you're my family, and the support and love I feel from every single person here. It's one energy, and it just makes me fly real high and stuff. I feel like I'm a dragonfly buzzing around here, flying and going, wow, what's all those people doing out there? grace of your beyond it all. Be not celoso, que no quiero, peregrinoso, Elias. Let the warriors hear it, and let them be. Let all us see it, and feel the energy. Let them all feel the peace of life today.
Thank you. That was my CD. Those are some of my songs from my CD.
Great.
I got like 2 or 3 more to go. So they're going to be meditation songs. I don't know where I'm coming out with my CD. It was just, I thought it would be done by now, but more songs have been coming out and stuff. So we're going to switch this a little bit now. We're now going to do the naming ceremony. And where is he at? Richard, come on up here.
Oh, there you
Joseph. Where's Joseph? Is he here? Come up here too. And I need you to come up too. Oh, this one, I'm not going to use this one. You stand, let's see. Angie stands here, you're on this side. No, that's for Angie.
Oh, that's just for you.
Yeah, you get to stand here. Joseph, you get to stand on this side. Fold. I need my fold right now. So he could get this instead. These are all my sacred items I've been given. Everybody that gets to join or become part of my clan, I give them a Native American name. And this is the first time I'm doing it in public, and I'm passing down a tradition. This is a hawk band that was given to me a long time ago when I used to Sundance. And it was a fan I used for my Sundance. In Sundances, there's a Lakota way. I was invited to come and learn the Lakota way, Sundance. And I was probably the only guy in the arbor that had a hawk fan instead of an eagle fan. They're like, what the? I'm like, and then they left me alone when they found out I wasn't part Lakota. They're like, okay, you can get away with this. I also had macaw feathers in the arbor at the same time. I actually gave away all my macaw feathers and they came back. The macaw feather to the Tarahumara date us back to the Aztecs, and that's why we have a macaw feather here today. Okay, so you hold that one. You hold that. And the reason Joseph's up here is because he became my recent student for, yeah, about a week ago. So that's why he's, yes, you'll get your name. I'm I'm also Navajo too. Little smudge. This is a Navajo sage that's in there that came from the Navajo land. That was gifted to me, so you get to put your energy into it right now. When I got my name, they used this drum. This is a Tarahumara drum. It's made out of sheepskin and stuff. Put your energy into that. And the reason Angie's up here is she was, my tias last year made her an honorary Tarahumara elder, and they gave her Tarahumara name, an elder name, and it was Bonita del Sol. And so she's a Tarahumara elder, and I'm very honored for her to be here when I do the ceremony. I'm going to sing you your song. This is a song for you. And you're not going to remember it because it's going to be all in Tarahumara. But I'm going to tell you what you're... So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sing to you. And what it is I'm calling in my grandpa Cosme to come and stand with you. I know he's here right now, but I want him to stand with you, and I want you to feel him and stuff. You'll know what he's here. And I'm going to sing to you like he would sing to you. He taught me to sing to people before I name them, because we call you your name that you've been going by, Richard, for so long. And so I'm going to sing that to you now. And then when I'm done, then at the end of it, I'll say what your new name is and stuff. And then at that time, we'll give you your gifts. Richard, que no se na que lo Richard trabajó. Richard habla inglés y Richard y trabajar. Y Richard madre into the dear slab bear. Oh Richard, how can you come to you in honor of this day? Oh Richard, habla esta no, que no, sino que lo. Oh Richard is no quien I saw, is dragonfly of the canyon of light. Your new name is the dragonfly of the canyon of life. You have deserved that name very well. Very honored. And in giving you
you that I made this for you. This is yours. It's a dragonfly, and it has to do with the colors of the canyon. It's like the main name of it. Who has it? And I was told. Okay. Alright. So here's. Oh, okay. This is the macaw feathers gave out for you. These feathers were given to me at Sundance when I did my Lakota Sundance in South Dakota. And I would like you to pick. They're hawk feathers. I want you to pick one, and it's yours for life. So you're no longer Richard, so have a new life. And I thank you all for part of this. Thank you. Okay. Alright, I can put everything away. But that's what
Thank you for sharing, Edward.
you're welcome.
Thank you.